Okay, here I have a Strattec, what they're calling a bolt padlock. Breakthrough one key lock technology. It's a codeable padlock. It comes with no key. You have to order whichever one matches your vehicle. It's made to be keyed up to your vehicle's key. So you have one key to work the vehicle and say the trailer or ladder racks, whatever. You put your key in, turn it, and the padlock is set to your key. It can't be rekeyed. It works on a 6 wafer sidebar like a old GM lock. So I don't know why this one is pickable. The website says 6-plate tumbler sidebar prevents picking and bumping. But as you can see, the key goes in, turns, shackle comes open. Gotta pull it open. Put the key in just a little bit. It's not going to open, so the lock works. I don't know if it's a fluke that I can pick this one, but if someone else out there has one, try it and let me know. But I'll show you here. If I can grab the tension bar. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And bam, there it is. Just like that. So like I said, I don't know if there's a problem with this padlock or it's broken. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's broken or not. Like I said, the key works fine. You can't turn it with a screwdriver. I can fill all 6 wafers. They're all spring loaded, so I'm not quite sure what the problem is, but I'll put a link up to the Strattec website where you can check it out, because it would make it really convenient if you've got a trailer or something that you can have one key to work everything. So there it is, the Strattec BOLT padlock. Thanks.